Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss about three words which are starting with the dumb word. Very first word is dumbfounded. It means shocked that you are unable to speak or give response or reaction. बेसिकली हिंदी में अगर कहें तो वो ये होता है कि हम हक्के बक्के रह जाते हैं कि कोई रिस्पॉन्स या रिएक्शन देने के लिए सिचुएशन में हम नहीं होते. तो dumbfounded is word like we are in shocked or surprised and unable to give response. Example is he was dumbfounded when he saw a ghost. I was dumbfounded when I saw snake in my room. Another word is dumbly. Dumbly is an adverb which means without speaking. When you are unable to speak, आप कुछ बोलते नहीं हो, ऐसे ही बस ताकते रहते हो या घूरते रहते हो, शॉक में आ जाते हो, कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देते, चुप रहते हो बेसिकली, तब ये डम्बली वर्ड यूज़ हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल इज सी स्टैड एग्जामिनर डम्बली इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग आंसर. वो एग्जामिनर को देखती रही, डम्बली मतलब विदाउट बोले हुए वो सिर्फ देखती रही जबकि उसको आंसर देना था. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज dumb show. Dumb show is a noun and it means the use of hand movements and not speech in order to communicate. We are using hand movements and gestures and doing some signs and actions to convey the meaning of particular thing. हम actions करके बताते हैं और इशारों में बात करते हैं, उसको dumb show कहते हैं. Example, he was trying to tell me to be silent through dumb show. वो मुझे चुप रहने के लिए बोल रहा था इशारों में. राइट, these all three words you can use in your cue card and in your essay also. When the cue card is based on the surprise you got, a beautiful gift you recently received, describe a situation when you met with an accident, describe a situation or incident when you found you are in a worst situation. तो इस टाइप के जो भी आपके क्यू कार्ड होते हैं तो उसमें आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. इन ऐसे ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वर्ड दैट नाउ डेज lots of things are going on in politics and people are just being quiet, they are not responding in that political scenario. In that you can use that people are being dumbly and they are not taking any action, or political leaders are behaving dumbly instead of taking action against the criminals. So I hope that in this video you come to know about these three different words and learn a lot. I want you all, whosoever is watching this video, to make one sentences using these all three words and comment in my comment section. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.